Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today is 10th of January 2024. It is around 3:47 p.m. in the early evening. Okay, today is Wednesday. All right, so this is for our midweek analysis. Okay, today morning I just have a meeting, net meeting with my team inner circle member. So, sorry for the delay update. All right, let's start. Okay, as you can see on the screen on the left, right? On the left, this is the item that we will be having for, these are the news that we'll be having for this week. So pretty much for the yesterday and the day before, Monday and Tuesday, there wasn't any big item going on. All right, but start from today, especially tomorrow, right? We have CPI data tomorrow. I think this is the one that is the most important item for the whole week. So start from today, I think the market will start to have a bigger move, in my opinion. So please be watch out for that. So without further ado, let's go straight to the analysis together. Okay, let's start with British pound first. Okay, British pound, I was like rechecking and checking over, right? Then I have this what I noticed is the British pound, basically what they are doing right now is they are pretty much in this very congested zone, right? Congested zone mean this is where the buy a lot of buying and selling taking place. So we can expect a lot of zip kind of like a market condition. I mean, one day we're up, one day we're down, this kind of stuff. So from looking at it, right, I will be a bit more standing with the neutral tone a little bit, in my opinion. Okay, slightly bullish, but standing more on the neutral tone, in my opinion. So if you are looking into buying or selling for these matters, you have to a little bit patient, right? You don't just buy and immediately don't expect the market to go up. You just don't sell and don't expect the market to go down immediately. All right. So let's see how it's go. I'm a little bit neutral here because you can see this is a very congested zone. Okay, I have already shown you the just now I draw it out for you already. So this is on the British pound. Okay, let me quickly go through. And another one is euro, as usual. All right, euro also, actually they are pretty similar, right? Let the data load first. Okay, you're also pretty similar. Okay, the only thing that it was a little bit bullish is because one of the reasons that there was a very big volume push coming in on the middle of December. So it was here. So as long as the price didn't really go below that, we can roughly say that market is under the bullish influence, right? So that means we likely to see more bullishness than bearishness. All right. So this is why it is not a strong one though. You see, we are in the same congestion zone here. So, this is the kind of movement I'm expecting. All right. So let's see how it goes. So it's nothing really much to recommend about. So it's more of a neutral and slightly bullish per se. Okay. So nothing really big to recommend about yet. Okay. Aussie. Yesterday candle is kind of like a very bearish candle. So today is kind of coming and back up also. Same thing. Aussie also quite similar. They are kind of stuck in between this congested area a little bit. So I think it's better for us to see where the price really go. You see the price trying to touch here. So let's say they break down, then we have a bearish mode. If let's say they really have to break up, then they have a bullish mode. So I'm also standing with slightly neutral tone at this moment for now. Okay, so let's see. Our weekly plan is also kind of neutral, nothing so extreme on any side. Okay, and if you haven't noticed already, all right, if you haven't noticed already, market most of the time is not so clear. All right, or market doesn't show you like very bullish or bearish most of the time. All right. Only certain time then they will give you a certain hint, because if the market is like very obvious all the time, of course everybody will make money, and there's no point doing all the analysis, right? Might as well just make money and go and spend all the money that we earn. So New Zealand also very similar. You can see that from the different perspective as well. You can see it's very much in the range zone. Okay. Okay, same thing. They have a same sort of like an influence that we have, right? In the early part of December, we have a bit push. So you see there was a little bit of some potential buying coming in. And of course, on that day, there's a potential selling also. But the market is slightly trying hard to go up higher. So let's say we break this level again. If we break this level, sorry, let me draw again. If we break this level, then we have a chance to be bullish. So I would say currently we better adopt a bit more on the wait and see perspective. Currently we are in this range color, high color area. So I think the big swing is normal here. All right. Let's see how it goes. Nothing really distinctive at this moment. All right. So I have covered three, I will cover four, sorry, and all of them are more on the neutral tone at this moment. All right. Okay, let's focus on gold. Let's focus on gold. Okay. Gold is slightly I mean there's some detail in it. All right. So what is happening to gold is that it has strong strong sort of like a very strong volume bar appear here. This is the signs of potential, you know, market have been going up. They have a very big signs of like buying and selling going on here. Okay, since then market took lower because you know all the buying. Okay, let's say number one, all the buying was absorbed here. Right? I mean, whoever want to buy, here is a seller to match. So in whatever the push come, number two was absorbing all the buyer and all the sellers are agreeing upon. That's why a lot of transition are taken place. That's why we have a very big volume show up here. Okay, after that, of course, after that, there is no more buying. The market really dry out. So after that, market just go back down. One of the reasons is that you see there was no more buyer already, right? So market just go back down. Then after that, market have a bit of push coming back in again to push the market again. So we have a one time here, one time push. We have a one time volume and we have a one time volume here. So what is happening right now is that the market try to go down but fail. And at the same time, market try to go up also is so-called is fail, right? So market is kind of like stuck in between. The price is stuck in between. And when the market is coming down again, which is on this attempt, I see that there was a bit of volume coming in to push the price again. So I think what will likely to happen is the market will start to really will swing back up slowly higher possibly. Okay, so this is the probable analysis that I'm working on. Then you can see also one thing. The left chart is CFD, the right chart is volume, right chart is future. You can see this area is a very high congested area, right? If you want to conclude the whole thing, you can include the whole thing. You see, market really go here to retest level. So this is the kind of strong strength that I'm noticing right now. So market can go sideways, but we may have a bit of bullish trend might be ongoing. Okay, so I think in this kind of condition, yeah, what we can do is that you have to have quite a lot of patience. Whenever the market have a bullish kind of tendency candle, then we go and buy along with it. Okay, not clear. Not like here, right? Like every day we have a bullish candle. You know, we can have a bullish trend. Not really like that, but whenever the market have a bullish tendency, we can go and long. If the market go in your favor, of course we add accordingly, lah, right? If the market doesn't go in your favor, you don't add. Okay, so I think this is how we should play the game. I am like it's not clear. It's as usual, a little bit neutral, but there might be some chance of bullishness coming in. Okay, so I will look for a long position. Yeah, wait a minute. I will look for a long position if there is some bullish, very promising candles show up. Okay, so neutral, but we will wait for potential bullishness. Okay, let's see how it's go. I don't think I will buy today. All right, I want to see for a candle to appear by the end of day candle, right? Okay, silver is pretty much similar. All right, silver is pretty much similar like gold because they are roughly the same. Same thing, we have a very good push coming in. They torpedo the price down, right? They just like a push the price down. Then they come down, the market come back with a volume. They come back here. Then there's no strength. There's no strength in the volume. right? So that's why they collapse again. But whenever the market come to this region, we have let's say I want to show you, we have 1 and 2. There was a bit of so-called interest of buying coming in. So I think soon we have some volume coming in to push the price. Whenever its market is down, I think it will eventually turn the market up. So we are waiting for this kind of period to happen, in my opinion. Okay, and moreover, you see on here, all right, the price is pretty much on the congested zone. So I think the selling will be stopped soon, and I think the market will start to recover back. Okay, so that's my theory. Of course, we have to forward test for the coming week. Okay, how trading difficult or not? Trading look easy, when someone said trading look easy when someone said and someone show you the already done chart, okay? Because it's already over. It's easier to predict, right? Because it's already over, can see the outcome. But we don't make money in that matters, right? We have to have an analysis, we have to so-called do a prediction now, and we can only make money if we are right in the future. Okay, so for this guy I'm a little bit reluctant, even though we have a bullish candle yesterday. There was a certain things that involved right now. I'm expecting market may start to turn soon. And look at the yesterday candle, it's pretty bullish. So of course, market can a bit carry up further. So let's see how it goes. But I won't be adding long, or I won't be going long at this moment. All right. So I will just wait and see first. All right. Okay, another one is US dollar CHF. Okay, US dollar CHF is not so bad. All right. US dollar CHF, I am a little bit bullish on this guy because the retail number that we are normally monitoring, right? Monitoring what's happening to them is that the retail numbers, they are very extreme now. They are plus 86, right? So what really happened? So it's mean when the market was going down, the retails instead of shorting the market, they keep on adding long. So they were like plus 60, plus 70. Then eventually they come very close to 100. They become 90 and they become 90, right? 90-ish. So they are almost extreme. So this is where the retail traders are too overstretched. Right? The market is all the way down. They are all the way buy also. So whenever they really have to force to close their position, force to close their position they will reduce their long position, right? This is where the market will turn back up because they are no longer in the market anymore. So I think this is the first step that we are seeing right now. Yesterday was 90 plus and today is 86. So unlike US dollars Canadian, I am a bit more bullish on this in my opinion. Okay, so this will be my first KIV for today. I am slightly bullish on this. Let's see how it goes. All right. Yesterday I was bullish on Nest Gas. You go and see what happened to Nest Gas. Okay, that's why it is good to pay attention. Okay. You go and see what happened to Nest Gas overnight. All right. Anyway, US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY also quite similar to US dollar CHF. They are, look at the yesterday candle. Okay, slightly bullish and stuff like that. And look at the where they are really coming up from. So they are really coming up from this really nice zone level. So I think market will likely to go here, and eventually market will likely to go here, in my opinion. Okay. Anyway, I am slightly bullish on this. So let's see how it's go. All right. Not really. I'm not really so interested, or I'm not so keen on buying them at the moment. Okay, but I'm not bearish on them. Okay, so far I have one so-called KIV, which is US dollar CHF long, right? Okay, next one. US market. Okay, US market is of course overheating and stuff like that, right? I'm expecting US market that the what we call it, the market may not really ready to go down just yet. All right, they try once, right? They try once. Let me choose the correct one. They try once, but they are not really feeling a lot. So I think market will likely to slightly drift higher back to the previous high or something like that. All right, so not strongly bullish, but I think it's a bit we still cannot shake out the some bullish tendency, in my opinion. So I'm not bearish at all. Okay, more of a neutral tone. All right. Okay, another one is the Hong Kong index. Wow, Hong Kong have been really dropping for the recent day. All right. Hong Kong have been dropping for a recent day. The market have a very bearish looking candle. All right, you can see it was a very bearish looking candle yesterday. So let's see how it's going. Today is so far is not following, but the market is not bullish either. So I'm standing with a slightly bearish so far. All right, if you ask me to should I do anything or not, I say if you really want to do something, I think short might be give you a better edge because look at the momentum lah, look at the price action, they are more on the sell side. Okay. All right. Hong Kong, after that, DAX. Okay, DAX is pretty much like really trying to break this level. They are trying to go up, one day go up, the next day come down. But I think we have some chance of market going up, in my opinion, because I don't think they were just, even if they want to come down, yeah, I don't think they will just stop here. They were likely to do some drama here, then they will eventually drop here. So I think the bullishness is not really that over, in my opinion. Okay, this is all my DAX. Okay, oil price. Oil price is also interesting. Okay, oil price also interesting. Okay, they are really ranging left and right. You see one day up, one day down. But I think oil price will have some tendency of market going back up higher. Okay, to me, why the market really break lower from here? You can see the market is being so-called being left and right, support and resisted by this level. So I think the betterness is here. The market better be break away from this level. Either they break this way or they break down this way, then we can have a clearer direction. I expect, if you ask me to speculate, I think market are going to go up. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm slightly bullish on oil, and let's see how it's go on that. Okay, so please have a proper risk management ready whenever you take a trade. Okay, trading is not that simple. I'm sure you know already. All right. Let's move on to the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Let's see. Bitcoin, they have some, of course, there's a very big hoo-ha new on the Twitters going on. Okay, Bitcoin, when you look from the technical perspective, right? Bitcoin, the strong resistance is here, right? So what happened here is that market sort of like breaking up from this level already. You see, yesterday they tried to come here and could not break down lower. So from technical point of view, Bitcoin is not so bearish overall yet. All right. So let's see how it's go. I think as long as the market could not break down this 44.5 level, around this 44.5, this kind of level, as long as this level not broken down now, I think we still have a potential chance of it going higher first, in my opinion. Okay, Bitcoin, I will not be strongly bullish, but I'm not bearish either. So maybe I will put under slightly bullish, in my opinion. Okay, so Bitcoin will be my second KIV pair. So that means I will be monitoring closely for maybe for the long side. Okay, and last but not least, natural gas. Yesterday we talked about natural gas being bullish. You can see natural gas, we have a very good push going on here. Okay, of course, natural gas, I think market is a little bit over topish already. That's why they are making a pullback. But nonetheless, I don't really think they will go back to this range region anytime soon. Okay, so they can come to here possibly, but market will be the stay very strong bullish case. So one of the very most probable way to make money here is that wait for a potential buy only. I think for natural gas, it can take some time, but wait for a buy only. I think market is going to go up a lot higher in the coming week. Okay, so take it slow, scout slowly. All right, then you buy a position, no rush. Only if that position make money, then you add another additional position in the same direction. Okay, so this is how you mitigate your risk. Let's say you buy, market go up in your favor, up a lot already, then you lock your position. I mean, even if it's go lower, your position will close at break even. I mean, you're not going to lose money from this trade already. Then you look for another position on the same direction. Okay, so it's a little bit good to be risk averse because a lot of trader doesn't think about risk first. He just think that how much I make money. But of course, sooner or later, market will teach the trader a way that there's something called risk management. All right, guys. Okay, so last final recap. I have a few KIV for this today. All right, I have a natural gas potential long, British pound potential, natural gas potential long, Bitcoin potential long, and US dollar CHF potential long on the buy side. I have three of them. I'll be monitoring these three fella closely today. All right, so thank you very much. I will post this video in the YouTube. Please do me a favor. If you like it, please like, subscribe, and of course, go ahead and comment what you think as well. Thank you very much. Yeah, have a great day ahead. Bye for now.